waiting for Bree to get home. Bailey and I and Bree, we're gonna be going on a hike, I think to like PETERS Canyon. It's over here in Orange, so it's pretty close. But it's a pretty cool hike, so we're gonna go do that today. Get some exercise in. Yeah. I enjoy doing these workouts more than actually going in the gym. That's just me though.
Me too.
I know you like running on the treadmill, but
I do, but it's nice to do this.
It's nice getting out in the open. That hill looks insane from here. It doesn't look that bad from far away, but when you get up close, it's like we put a GoPro on her back. Look how cute she looks. She looks so high tech. It's so funny. Not even a quarter way up and I feel like passing out and just rolling back down this hill. So I guess we're doing Chick-fil-A. That's what's on the menu for tonight. Sounds good, and I know she's excited about it. She says she hasn't had it in like 6 years, yeah?
God, it's forever.
Forever? No, not 6 years, but like at least 6 months. Me too, I think so. Because I've had it whenever you had it last. Oh, pretty excited. Yes. Guys, I can't stress this enough. She has a problem. She's addicted. She needs help. She's playing Pokemon Go.
Hello. Yes, this is Ben Stone. I'm calling on behalf of.
Enough is enough.
Nope.
Taking her to rehab tomorrow. 8 AM. Be up and ready.